obese. Very overweight, which can be bad for health. My doctor told me I am getting obese. I was obese in school, but now I am fit. Strangle. To choke someone or something by squeezing the neck, usually to stop them from breathing. He tried to strangle the man during the fight. The collar is too tight, it's strangling my neck. Nip. To bite or pinch lightly. The puppy nipped my finger while playing. Ouch! Something just nipped my toe. Faction. A small group of people within a bigger group, who have different ideas or opinions. The class split into two factions during the debate. There is a faction in the team that wants a new leader. One faction wanted pizza, the other wanted burgers. Yank. To pull something suddenly and forcefully. Don't yank my hair, it hurts. He yanked the chain to turn on the light. Peckish. Feeling a little hungry. I am feeling a bit peckish. I am not very hungry, just a little peckish. Glutton. A person who eats or drinks too much. My cousin is a glutton, he eats all the time. Stop eating like a glutton, you will get sick. Cluster. A group of similar things that are close together. There was a cluster of grapes on the table. A cluster of people stood near the bus stop. Latch. To fasten or lock something with a latch. Please latch the door before you leave. He tried to open the door, but the latch was stuck. Snobbish. Someone who thinks they are better than others and looks down on people. She became snobbish after she got rich. I don't like snobbish people. They are rude. Edible. Something that is safe or suitable to eat. Don't eat that. It's not edible. Is this mushroom edible or poisonous? Evacuate. To leave a dangerous place or to remove people from a dangerous area for safety. Please evacuate the area. It's not safe. They evacuated the school because of the fire. Merge. To combine or join together two or more things into one. They merged two schools into one. Please merge all the documents before printing. These roads merge near the mall. Vow. To make a serious promise to do something. We took a vow to stay friends forever. I can't believe he didn't keep his vow. Exquisite. Very beautiful, delicate, or perfectly made. The jewelry was exquisite and very expensive. I bought an exquisite gift for my mom. The pizza we had last night was exquisite. Proclaim. To announce or declare something publicly or officially. The president proclaimed a national holiday. The teacher proclaimed the winner of the contest. She proclaimed her love for him in front of everyone.